Hi, I'm Gabriel Beard with the Gears program, and I'm going to show you what's cool in school. How many buses are in the Splendora ISD bus fleet?
We have 48 with 2 expected in October.
Wow. Okay, and how many miles do these buses cover each day?
We cover about 2,642 miles. That's with regular ed, special ed, and all of the special programs that we run, college, shuttle, work program, things like that.
Even a lot more amount of miles. What is an average age of the bus?
9 years here at Splendora, and the national average is 9.1.
Okay. How much, if something was to happen to a bus, how much does it cost to replace it?
The whole bus?
The whole bus.
Okay. Well, we're currently getting 2, and they are priced at $101,900 each, and that's for a 78 passenger bus with 3-point seat belts on them.
Okay. And like you said with the 3-point seat belts, that's a new law on the seat belts is for new buses?
Yes. If according to SB 693, which is Senate Bill 693, any buses effective September 1st, 2017, any buses that we purchase after that have to be equipped with seat belts if they're 2018 or newer.
Okay. Well, that's all the questions I have, so let's go see these new buses.